I made more sales than 99% of all Etsy shops by getting my listings on page 1 without any SEO tricks that don't work anyway. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use this method and crush your competition in 2025. So I added a stopwatch for you to see that this is not edited. Let me refresh my page so you know I'm legit. So here's the truth about SEO. SEO doesn't matter. What matters is that 80% of all sales happen on page 1. Most people think they're already on the first page, but if you check on an incognito tab, you'll see the real search results, not the ones influenced by your search history. And this is the part where you get disappointed, because most people don't know that your search results are influenced by your search history. Now, before I show you my method, you need to understand this. Being on page 1 can completely change your Etsy sales. Let me prove it. Let's compare a listing from page 1 and a listing from page 10. For example, let's take this one from the first page, and from the 10th page, let's take one that stands out. So you understand that having a nice product and affordable price is not enough. Let's take this one and let's add them on eRanker.com. As you can see, the guy on page 10 is losing $10,000 a month just because he is not on the first page. If you don't want to end up like him, here's what you do. Let's take a product. It doesn't matter which one for now, because I just want to show you how this method works. Now all you have to do is copying the listing ID from the URL and pick the keyword that you want to rank for on the first page, and add them in our simple tool called eRanker, and that's all the work you need to do. You just hit run, and the tool does its magic. And you might ask yourself, like, how a tool as simple as that can make me appear on the first page? Easy. This tool creates thousands of ad copies and shares them on the most popular social media platforms like Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, and so on. And people click on those ads and get to your listings. And Etsy sees that your listing has a ton of organic traffic, and it basically signals Etsy to move it to the first page where 80% of all sales happen. Because this is the page most buyers stop their search on. If you think this offer is too good to be true, we offer you a free trial so you can experience this before we talk about anything else. If you want to test it for yourself, you can contact us on our website, or if you value your time and prefer to have an instant reply, simply start a chat with us on WhatsApp. Thank you very much for your attention.